So, good evening, everyone. This is Mercedes Benz ml4matic 2008. So today we're going to be showing you how to dismantle this radio, how to lose this radio, and how to re-put it back. This is it, Mercedes Benz. Here is the loader, the 6 CD loader. Here is the Benz. It's a very nice motor, a very nice car. This is it. Here is it. So we'll be showing you how to dismantle it. You start from this compartment. From here, you get a screw that is screwed here. There's a screw up here. One screw. Once you lose it, it's an Allen key. Once you lose it, you pull it down. You pull the holder down for it to enable the radio to come out, because the radio is not tighted to the car particular. The radio is clipped with that hanger on the underneath. So it's how it goes.
Mota, eu sei não, eu vou com no qua, cena, que na coisa que
O JBL.
Assistant, não,
Uh, and on I go normal. Oh yeah, open on board JBL, man on radio. Open on JBL, man on amp. Open on board JBL, man on radio. Radio. Mba, about touching. Oh, mecha and check you go there. Okay. So here is it. This is it, the Allen key. This is it. You get to lose this. Okay. Can check you or can go to the fault first? This is the Allen key. The Allen key screw. Here is it. Right now I want to install the radio back. is the clip. Bring it down. Bring the second one down. Then you bring the radio out. This is the radio. Here is the dashboard. This is the radio.